How to copy text on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS or MMS. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any message from here. Over here, press and hold the text you want to copy and then tap on Copy. You have now successfully copied this text. Alternatively, you can take a screenshot of this conversation. Then, go back and open up the Photos application on your phone. Open the screenshot you just took from here to view it. Long press to select the text you want to copy and then tap on Copy. Following these steps, you can easily copy text on iPhone.